Hello guys and girls, hope you're all very well. Is there any side effects? Yeah, you could look like that. No, on a serious level, is there any side effects? When I first went ahead, there was a lady, the stylist, called Helen. I used to go to a place, which in all fairness, they did a reasonable job, so I can't knock them too much, it was just very expensive. And her name was Helen. And I asked her, is there any side effects? And she kind of like got to know me and she said, yes. But I'm going to say this, 1993, when hair systems were not supposed to be bonded on your head for 4 weeks. It just became a fad. So anyway, a company got hold of it and thought, let's go with this and run with it. So I'm pretty sure they used to put anything on your head to bond it. Okay? I'm not sure what adhesive I had. I probably had super glue. But anyway, go back to Helen. I said to her, any side effects? Is there any infections? And she said, Phil, I'm going to be honest with you, it's 1 in 20. And I thought, that's very high. But like I say, fortunately I didn't. But there's a nice story to this. Companies like Walker, ProLabs. Oh, there's my phone ringing. Watch this. Can I help? I'm on a vlog at the moment. Do you mind if I carry on? Thank you. See, that'll pick up the calls for everybody. Right, so going back to that, right, so yeah, so they developed stuff, adhesives and tapes and so forth, which are good for your skin. So back in the day, it was hit and miss, yeah, but now for the last 15 years, there's hardly been any, I don't rarely see any effect at all. Occasionally, clients come back and they may have a rash, and generally it's because they've been scratching at night, and that could come up for it, but because their hair system's itching a little bit at the end of their term for wearing it for 3 or 4 weeks. But side effects, that's the side effects, you can go back to that. 2018, all the products, FDA passed, skin friendly, you really have nothing to worry about. See you next week. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.